Okay viewers, this is a continuation. In our previous video we solved question A, and now in this video I'm going to solve question B. Okay, but you're going to solve the question C and put the answer in the comment section. Okay, and if you've not watched the previous video, I would advise you to go watch the previous video so you understand some concept I have just explained. Now you can see that the center here is 6 and 2 and the radius is 1. So for us to put this equation of a circle in a standard form, we call the equation of a circle in a standard form, which is x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equal to r squared. This is the standard form of a circle. This is the standard form of a circle. Now at this point you can see that the center is h and k. So I'm going to plug in h here and I'll plug in k here to get the center of this circle. So at this point, so I have x minus, the h is what, 6 squared plus I have y minus 2 all squared equal to the radius here is just 1 squared. Now this is the standard form of a circle. This is how we represent a circle in a standard form. Then if you are asked to express the circle in a general form, then you want to expand all of these guys. Okay, so we have x minus 6 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equal to 0. But take note, this guy is the standard form of how we represent the equation of a circle, and now we are about to obtain the general form of how we can represent a circle. So the next thing you do is to expand all these guys to get the general form. So here, if I expand this guy, I'll have x squared minus 12x plus 36. If I expand this guy, I'll get all of this expression. Then plus, if I expand this guy, I'll have y squared minus 4y plus 4. Then equal to, oh sorry, here should be 1. 1 squared is same as 1. Okay, so equal to 1. Now the next thing you want to do is to bring these terms together. So you have x squared plus y squared. Then the next is this guy minus 12x, and you have minus 4y. And of course, all this constant becomes plus 36 plus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Yes, so you go ahead and clean up this equation. So you have x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 4y. 36 plus 4 is 40. Then 40 minus 1 is 39. So I have plus 39 equal to 0. Okay, viewers, this is a general form. This is a general form of how we represent the equation of a circle. This is a general form of equation of a circle. And for this one, this is a standard form of a circle. So I want you to go solve question C and put your answer in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial.